This is the hardest part of working with the law of sines. It's something called the ambiguous case, called side-side angle, meaning that you've got an angle and then you've got two sides, but the angle is not between the two sides. Now sometimes when this happens, you don't get any triangles at all. For instance, let's suppose you had something that looks like this. Here's your angle. And then you're going to have this adjacent side next to it. And then you're always going to have the opposite side. And that means you're not going to have this side down here. So I'm going to dash that in. It's possible that this opposite side right here won't reach all the way to hit the dashed side. And so the way you check that is you look at the height. Here's the height of the triangle. You want to determine if this opposite side is bigger than that height or not. And if it's smaller than that height, then no triangles. Now, let's suppose same situation again. We've got this triangle, we've got this adjacent side, and you don't know the length of this side, and you've got this height right here, and you know that the opposite side is longer than the height. So, something like that. Well, here's the thing. That distance is technically the same as this distance right here. So as a result, you end up actually getting two triangles. You get this one right here that I'm coloring in blue that has opposite side, adjacent side, angle. But then you also get this triangle, which has the same angle, it has the same adjacent side, and it has the same opposite side, because we showed how this and this are the same length. Right. So this happens when your opposite side is bigger than your height. Now let's suppose that we get our angle here again, and we get our adjacent side, and the opposite side is big. So big that it's actually bigger than this adjacent side right here. Something like that. Now whereas here, we could draw two opposite sides. Boom, 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 boom. If we tried to draw another one that was the same length as this, it would never hit this side of the triangle. So in this case, when the opposite side is bigger than the adjacent, we only get one triangle. Which means we need to add something over here. The two triangles happen when the opposite side, this one right here, is bigger than the height, but it's smaller than the adjacent side.